This is a video on a tricky question about segments in lines. So if you have a single line, or a single segment rather, made up from a point end to end there, creating a segment, then 2 points equals one segment. But something happens as soon as you add an extra point. I now have a segment here and a segment here, but I still have the segment that goes from end to end. So if I have 3 points, I have 1, 2, 3 segments. Let's go a bit further here. If I put a 4th point in, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 segments. I'll leave it for you to think a bit more about what happens with a 5th point and a 6th point.